Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a video about putting on these nails. Now these nails are called Pretty Woman faux nails, and I did get them at the Dollar Tree, and anything to help my hands. My hands will look a little bit better when I have the polish on them. I mean the nails on them, but I don't have, like, let's face it, I don't have like really pretty hands, okay? But when I do put fake nails on, they look a little bit prettier. So let's look at them, how they look now. Not that they look, it's just such a close-up that it's probably not doing my hand really anything, right? But anyway, not that it's going to help if it's far away. But anyway, let's start it and see how long it takes, okay? So, I have the kit here. I had to like undo it. It was all taped up, this thing. And it does have its own glue. So let's see just how long this will take me. If I feel like it's going to take me too long, I'll just do one hand. Okay? Alright, so these are the ones that look like they'd fit my thumb. And I think that they will. So let me go ahead and... Is that a wider one though? Yeah, this one looks a little bit wider. Alright, so let me get going with the glue. I might have to stop the video if the glue has to be cut at the top. But let me just see. Hold on one second. Okay, so it comes with a twisty, so that'll probably let the glue pop out. So I'm going to have to do this not looking through the camera. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put the glue right on my nail. Let's see first of all if it will come out. Yeah, it is coming out. I hope I don't run out of time. This looks like the wide one. So I'm just going to kind of press hard right down on it and see if it works like the usual ones. I'm going to put lotion on my hands afterwards. But let's see if it works. Gotta press it. I'm going to say for like maybe 20 seconds. And see what happens. No, it's not really working. The glue's not working that great. Let me see if I can put it on the inside of the nail. Okay, so I have it on the inside of the nail, and I actually don't think I used enough glue because this looks like gel glue. So now let's see what happens when I press down on it and hold it. Let's see. I can't really hit the button to put you on pause, sorry. I just want to try to do it in real time to show you how it works. Alright, let's see. Actually, yeah, now that's really sticking really good. Okay, so off camera I lined up 4 of them, and the way it's going to fit my hand is the ones with the little leopard print have to go at the very 2 edge fingers over here. That's how it's going to fit me. So let me put the glue on to save the time from running out on the video. Okay, what I like about this glue is that it doesn't feel like you're gonna get stuck to it forever, like your hands. Well, I should spoke too soon. Wait a minute. No, it's not sticking like that crazy stuff sticks to your fingers when you're trying to hold it. You know how sometimes it sticks and you can't get your finger off of it? So let me just hold this down for time purposes. Okay, and I got a little bit of a better light here too. So let me go ahead and finish the other 3 because I feel like I'm going to run out of glue if I try to do all 10. And I definitely want to take that back. I feel like your fingers will get stuck with these if you're not really careful. Okay, there's the ring finger one. Okay, there's the baby finger. I feel like the baby finger is a little bit too long compared to how the rest of them are. I think I put the thumb on crooked. Let me put some lotion, and later on if you see any of my videos you'll probably see only one hand because I don't know if I'm going to be able to squeeze the rest of the glue out of here, but I might be able to. I don't know. I'll let you know. So here it is on just the one hand, guys, okay? And later on in my video for my Saturday night shopaholic haul, I'll let you know if I put the other hand on, if I had enough glue, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see you later on in my next video. Bye now. I wish I got the blue.